Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I will show you how to stop receiving messages from your Instagram. So by using this feature you can decide which kind of people are messaged to you via this Instagram Messenger, because some users are asked to me how to prevent messages from unknown person, and also they send the unwanted messages to me. So if you are a male, this is not a problem. At same time, if you are a female, this is very risk. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and don't forget to log in your Instagram account, and then press your Insta profile picture icon and it shows my Instagram profile section. So here you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon and go to settings, and my settings are ready to use. So here I try to access privacy category and slightly scroll down, and then I get the one option called messages, and it is placed under the interactions category. So just click to open it. So first I try to open your followers on Instagram. So here you can select don't request and then click to update settings and go back to the one step. So next you can click to open peoples on Facebook. So same way you can select don't receive request and also manage this Instagram group activity. So we simply click to open who can add you to groups. So here you can select only people you follow on Instagram and go back to the settings main menu. So finally you can click to open hidden words and click to enable this option hide message request. So once you change this I mentioned settings, in future you won't get any message request from unknown person. So at same time, if you are a iOS user, also you can try the same method, and the settings are common for all platforms. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.